staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. Eating salmon twice a week is a simple and effective way to support your overall health and promote a long and healthy life. Salmon is a highly nutritious food that is well known for its health benefits. In particular, it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which play a crucial role in maintaining brain and heart health. Salmon also contains a variety of other nutrients such as protein, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, making it an ideal food for a healthy diet. In this video, we'll be talking about the benefits of salmon consumption for longevity and discuss the best ways to consume salmon. The benefits of salmon for longevity. Longevity refers to the lifespan or healthy life expectancy of an individual. Research suggests that salmon consumption has several benefits associated with longevity. 1. Improves brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for improving brain function. Salmon is particularly rich in two types of omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, which are highly beneficial for brain health. Studies show that omega-3 fatty acid consumption can improve cognitive function and prevent age-related cognitive decline. 2. Improves heart health. Salmon is highly effective in improving heart health. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for preventing and treating heart disease. Research indicates that omega-3 fatty acid consumption can lower blood pressure and dilate blood vessels, thereby improving heart health. 3. Reduces inflammation. Salmon is rich in DHA and EPA, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show that consuming omega-3 fatty acids can prevent inflammatory diseases. In addition, salmon contains vitamin D and vitamin B12, which have antioxidant effects and contribute to maintaining healthy bones, skin, and immune systems. 4. Helps with weight loss. Salmon is a great food to include in a weight loss diet. It is high in protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Protein is also essential for building and repairing muscle, which is important when you are trying to lose weight. 5. Promotes longevity. Research has shown that consuming salmon regularly may contribute to longevity. Omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Consuming salmon regularly may also help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Ways to consume salmon. There are various ways to consume salmon. It can be eaten grilled or raw, and can be cooked in different ways. 1. Salmon steak. Salmon steak is one of the most popular ways to cook salmon. It can be grilled on a barbecue or pan-fried to enjoy the flavor and nutrients of the fish. The steak can be seasoned with just salt and pepper or marinated to enhance its taste. 2. Salmon sushi. Salmon sushi is a popular Japanese dish. Freshly cut salmon is placed on top of rice and seasoned with soy sauce and wasabi. Sushi can be made with various other ingredients to create different flavors. 3. Pan-fried salmon. Pan-fried salmon is a delicious way to enjoy salmon. It can be seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, and other herbs to make it even more flavorful. 4. Salmon salad. Salmon salad is a healthy snack option. The unique aroma of salmon adds a unique taste to the salad. It can be seasoned with oil dressing or vinegar dressing. Conclusion. Salmon is a delicious and nutritious food that provides many health benefits. Consuming salmon regularly may help improve heart and brain health, reduce inflammation, promote weight loss, and contribute to longevity. There are many delicious ways to consume salmon, including salmon steak, pan-fried salmon, salmon salad, and enjoying salmon sushi. Incorporating salmon into your diet is a great way to reap its many health benefits. So, whether you prefer salmon steak or salmon sushi, make sure to include this nutrient-dense food in your meals. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.